Once again, live from Tuliak, Alaska. I wish you could see outside. Beautiful fall day. Moose hunting's in progress right now, and I hope you're doing fine. So as we start this one, it's called, under classic problems, it's called The Weight of a Brick. And the first thing it says is if a brick balances with a 3/4 of a brick and 3/4 of a pound, then how much does the brick weigh? So first of all, let's make a balance here. We'll just pretend this is a balance scale with a long arm here. Okay. Now, if we took a brick over here on the right and we cut it in pieces, this is our practice brick. So we cut it in half, we cut it in half again and again, and we get quarters. 1/4. So there's altogether there's 4/4. So now the question says, what if we had 3/4 of a brick? So we have 3/4 of a brick. Let's draw our brick here. Three-quarters of a brick, and that's pretty close to being perfect. Wow. If we had 3/4 of a brick right there and 3/4 of a pound. So now let's draw something that would hold weight in there. 3/4 of a pound of sand. LB. Okay, now on the other side, it says we have the whole brick. And out of this, we look at this problem and we say, good question. Well, what we do know is right here is our only weight that we have to balance the scales. If we took this 3/4 of a pound off of the scales, it would tip. So what we have to do is we have to say 3/4 of a pound is equal to, well, over here we have 3/4 of a brick plus 3/4 of a pound. Now those are different weights, different objects, and we can't just say 3/4 and 3/4 is a number, because as we look at this, we are actually missing part of the brick. This is missing. The green part of the brick is missing, and we know by looking at it that this bag right here fits right there. Okay, that bag fits right there, so that would make a full block, and we would get rid of the sand. So we know that 1/4 block is equals 3/4 of a pound. Then we have, what if we had 3 more quarters of the block to make it full? Well, we would have 3/4 block times 3/4 pound. Well, that's apples and oranges until you start looking back at the picture. We know that the 3/4 of a pound on the left is built up in pieces. So if we said each of these were 3/4 of a pound, each of them, and there's 4 if we count that top one, and we look over here to the right, there's 4. 4 times 3/4. Okay, now that one we can do. That's not apples and oranges, that's math. So let's put the 4 over the 1, and let's go to work. We cross out the fours, diagonal division there, they equal 1, 1, and that leaves us with 3 over 1, which equals, at the final bottom, 1 brick equals 3 pounds. And it's a beautiful sunny day here, and cool. Thank you. This is from Tuntatuliak. Bye.